Hey everybody, this is Catholic Dad, episode number 138. Does tobacco cause heart disease? This is something, I'm a physician, right? And, I said that I was going to do some theological stuff, political stuff, medical stuff. I haven't done much medical stuff at all. But I'm a radiologist, and I, more than most people, would probably know if tobacco causes heart disease because I see it every day, all day long in CTs of the chest, CAT scans of the chest. Most people wouldn't really associate tobacco with heart disease. Tobacco typically is associated with things like lung cancer and other cancers as well, head and neck cancers. But unequivocally, I could tell you without a doubt in my mind, tobacco certainly causes heart disease, and it causes severe heart disease. Now, as I was growing up in radiology, I've read lots of CAT scans, tons and tons of them. Maybe I read 30 a day or something. And a lot of them are CTs of the chest, and you see a lot of coronary atherosclerosis, or heart disease of the coronary vessels. Those are the blood vessels that feed the heart. And sometimes you see calcium, sometimes you don't, so on and so forth. And you never know who's a smoker and who's not a smoker because we don't really get that history typically. But in the last couple of years, we've been doing some CTs of the chest screening for lung cancer in smokers. And to be entered into the screening for lung cancer, you have to have 30-pack years of smoking history, which means you have to smoke, like if you smoke 2 packs a day for 15 years, you have 30-pack years. If you smoke a pack a day for 30 years, you have 30-pack years as well. And so I've been noticing, and I've been reading lots and lots and lots of these studies, almost everybody that's entered into the cardiac screening or the lung cancer screening program who has a lot of pack years of smoking history, almost every one of them have a lot of coronary vascular disease. Well, far more than the typical person that I read on any given day, even corrected for age. And so this is Catholic Dad telling you cigarettes, they've proved it medically speaking. You shorten your life like 7 years when you smoke cigarettes. But without a doubt, heart disease is dramatically increased by the calcium load and the atherosclerosis of the coronary vessels in smokers versus non-smokers. That's something I can say unequivocally. And I guess the reason why I'm saying this is because I think somebody's going to Google, do cigarettes or tobacco cause heart disease? And I can tell you absolutely it does. I see it every single day. And don't smoke. I mean, like nicotine is so horrible. It's so darn addicting. I think it's probably the most addicting drug on the planet. It's so hard to kick. And really, if you never start it, you're better off anyway. So if you're a kid and you want to know that, you don't smoke cigarettes, because that's a habit that's like not impossible, but very difficult to break. And so this is Catholic Dad making you think about it. Please like or subscribe. Share with your friends if you like the content of these videos. And God bless you, and have a great Good Friday.